How to add clickable link to TikTok bio. Hi there, today we'll learn how to add a clickable link on your TikTok account bio. So what you need to do is open the application and go to your profile. From here, you need to click on edit profile just right below your username. When you click on it, here are a lot of options here that creates your account here. So what we'll do is that for us to add a clickable link on your bio, normally there would be an option for you to add a website link, but since it currently is not available here, what we will need to do is to make sure that the application or the TikTok application is currently up to date. We can go to Play Store or App Store and then search for TikTok, and you need to make sure that it is currently updated. Once you have made sure that it has been updated, and if you still do not see the clickable link on your edit profile option, you can go back and then click on the three bars menu on upper right corner and then click on settings and privacy. From here, what you can do is to report the problem, so you can just scroll down and then click on report a problem. So from here, what you will need to do is create your report. So you'll be able to see here, just need to scroll down at the very last option, just click on submit report, and then you'll be able to write the issue or the problem that you are currently experiencing. For example, kindly enable adding the clickable link for you to be able to add it to your bio. You can also request them to fix this as soon as possible. And then once everything has been typed in, you can go ahead and click on submit. And even before you click on submit, you also have the option to add a photo or a video about what the issue is going on, and then click on submit. Then you just need to wait until the TikTok support team will be reaching you either through your email, or they may be sending you a notification to your TikTok account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.